Good morning! So, today is our last day in Bangkok and I just finished packing. Ayan, tapos na kami Shinky mag-pack and kakatapos ko lang din mag-makeup. Check-out time namin is 12 noon. Tapos yung flight namin is 6 PM pa. Baka magtambay na lang kami sa mall or something while waiting for our flight kasi may 3 hours pa kami para tumambay. Alo, wait lang. Wait lang, maglilip tint muna ako. Ito yung 3CE Velvet Lip Tint. I'm giving it a try again. Sobrang drying niya. I bought this kasi ang ganda ng reviews niya for dry skin. Pero, I don't think nag-work siya sa lips ko. Ayan, hindi na ako pale. Grabe guys, ang sarap ng massage kagabi. As in, nakatulog na ako right away. Di ko na kayo na-update. Sorry. Oh, wait lang. Hi! Oh! You're leaving na!
Ipa-alter mo na lang. Pwede ba? Oh, sige. Gastos pa ako pang alter.
60 pesos lang naman.
Okay.
I will miss you. Bye, Trish.
Visit ko talaga kayo sa Cebu, guys.
Yes, girl. Sige, go.
Tapos kailangan kayo yung tour guide ko next.
So, I just talked to Chinky. Nasa bathroom siya. We decided na mag-Platinum Fashion Mall muna kami. Hanap kami doon. Baka may makita kaming shopping na naman. Guys, as in, may hinahanap talaga ako dito. Hindi ko pa siya nakakain. Naiinis ako. May gusto kong kainin sa KFC. It's called Wing Zab. Chicken siya na sobrang spicy. Tapos kinakain mo siya with sticky rice. So, yun yung kinakain ko nung pumunta ako dito, nung high school pa ako. Grabe, sobrang sarap niya guys. If you're into spicy food, sobrang magustuhan mo yung Wing Zab from KFC. So, chinak ko siya sa Waze. 2 kilometers away lang yung Platinum Fashion Mall from our hotel. Ang lapit niya lang pala. Sana may KFC doon. Nagkikrave talaga ako sa Wing Zab. So, this is my outfit for today. T-shirt lang and booty shorts na black. I-check ko sa Waze kung magkano yung Grab papuntang Platinum Mall. Hala, may Grab bike. Guys, may Grab bike dito. Amazing. Yung Grab bike nila, 47 baht lang. So, sobrang tipid if magbabike kami. Pero, baka magtuk-tuk na lang kami para sure. Hey guys! Nasa taxi na kami!
Hindi na tuk-tuk. Uwi na kami.
Yes,
Oy, social na!
Nakaluwag-luwag. Mag-shopping na naman kami. Mag-stay kami doon for 3 hours. Tapos babalik kami doon sa hotel namin around 3 PM. Yay! We're here! Hello, excited ka na, ma'am?
Ito pinakagusto mo, di ba?
Oo. Hey guys! Part 4 of shopping! Katatlong night market na kami at isang fashion mall. So,
Hindi pa rin sapat.
in part 4 na to. Guys! ATM? Sige, hanap muna kami ATM kasi wala na kaming baht, guys. For 200 baht. Look. Finally, may nakita na akong KFC. Yay! Wing Zab! Yay! So, ito yung in-order ko guys. Wing Zab. Favorite ko to dito. Wala to siya sa Philippines. And then, wala silang sticky rice. Yung normal rice lang yung meron. And, yan. Nag-2-piece chicken si Chinky and rice din. Fries and then Coke. Grabe guys. Grabe guys, sobrang gutom na namin. Alas 2. Pwede? Alas 2, wala pa kaming kain. Grabe. Inuna yung shopping.
Ibomba mo na kasi late na kami na. Yung flight namin 6:50 na. 3 oras na na pupunta pa kami sa airport. Ibomba mo kuya, ibomba mo kuya.
Ang dami kami na shopping ko!
Kaya, at saka, I'm super happy kasi for the first time, comfortable ako sa tuktok. Palagi ako nandyan.
Hi guys! On the way na kami sa airport!
Bye-bye, Thailand!
Bye, Barco!
Babay sa mga maiiwan naming gamit kasi di kasya na 25 kilos. Charot. Ito naming uminom ng Thai milk tea.
Oh, kaso wala nang time. Sana may 7-Eleven dun sa airport so we can
Kung wala,
order
magpa-franchise si Lovely na ganun. Thai lang lahat. Thai milk tea lang lahat.
Guys, sobrang struggle. Yun yung mga gamit ko. Oh, kamusta ka, ma'am?
Labo na to, ma'am. Sabi na, ma'am.
Hey guys, so we're at the airport already and ina-arrange na namin mga gamit namin kasi, ayan. Ayan, shopping pa more. Ilalagay namin yung ibang gamit namin kay Chinky para magkasya lahat kasi sobrang dami namin nabili. And yan, mag-check-in kami afterwards. Guys, update lang. I don't know what happened to my ticket pero naging business class siya. So, sabi ko sa check-in counter na okay lang nilagay ako sa economy basta katabi ko lang sila Chinky and Jomi. Ayoko ang business class kung ako lang mag-isa. Ayoko. If mag-isa ako sa business class, wala akong kausap. So, kaya sabi ko check-in counter, transfer na lang ako sa economy. Sobrang okay lang talaga sa akin. Hey guys, wala talaga akong nagawa. As in, business class talaga ticket ko. I'm not with Chinky and Jomi anymore kasi nagkahiwalay kami dun sa immigration. Nasa priority lane kasi ako, tapos sila nasa yun, normal lane. Kainis! My God, natakot ako mag-isa. Like, I'm not even kidding. Pinakabahan ako guys. Ito magsistay yung mga nasa business class sa Miracle Lounge na ang Bangkok. Guys, nasa VIP lounge na ako. Magpa-buffet dito. Oh my God! Okay, it's perfect. I'm so hungry. Yay! Boarding na guys. I still can't find Chinky and Jomi. It's my seat. Okay. It's okay. Oh yeah, I asked for that. Okay. So ito yung welcome drinks nila guys. Thai milk tea. Talaga. My favorite drink forever. Guys, I still can't find Chinky and Jomi. Oh my God, sana sila. Hindi ko sila mahanap. Wala akong katabi, guys. Yes, guys, I found them. Hi, mga moms. Oh, ito milk tea. Milk tea, day. Guys, may isa naman akong problema. I can't find my laptop. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Hey guys, okay lang pala kasi malapit na yung seats namin. Hi, mga moms! Guys, binigyan ako ng iPad ng pal so I can watch movies or something. And they also provided headphones. So I am ready to sleep. Wala akong katabi. By the way, guys, they found my laptop! Oh my god, akala ko talaga nawala ko siya. Naiwan ko siya sa X-ray. Tapos, oh my god. Nag-travel kayo, please huwag niyo akong tularan. Huwag kayong maging tanga like me. I was so scared kanina. Akala ko nawala talaga siya. Buti na lang ang galing na airport crew nila. At hinahanap na talaga yung laptop. Having Hainanese chicken for dinner and champagne. They also gave me Thai milk tea. Yay! I'm watching Tomb Raider. Oh my gosh, I wasn't expecting my dessert pa. Pero yay! I'm so happy! Thank you, pal! Glass ko na to. Oh my god, sobrang red na yung mukha. Cheers! Hey guys! We finally landed in Manila and I would just like to thank Luke for accommodating us. I had so much fun and thank you kasi ginroup mo ako with Chinky and Jomi. Ayan, blur sila. Ang saya ng activities, sobrang sarap ng mga food, and grabe yung transpo namin, sobrang hassle-free. Thank you so much, Klook. Yung flight namin papuntang Cebu is tomorrow, pero hindi ako sasama kasi may event ako dito sa Manila. Sila Chinky though, yung flight nila is tomorrow morning around 7 AM ata. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you on my next one. Bye! Mwah!